So first of all, congratulations.
Thank
This
you.
is wonderful. जी 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 बहुत बढ़िया आइए देखा आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है as soon as you come here धमाका मच गया first things first you know
जी बोलिए
5 साल है ना ये जर्नी
हाँ.
talk to us about that first shot and उससे भी पहले that first time when you got to know that you will be working with icon star Allu Arjun sir.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, first I'll start off from I think the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was in Pushpa 1 Shrivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time. So I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are and he's always going to be super special. So
Talk to us about this amazing filmmaker
जी.
सुकुमार सर. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है.
हाँ.
उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको, जब इसके बारे में बताया था, उस समय क्या चल रहा था?
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, but he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
So we should really plan to kidnap
है ना, we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin this 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but I'm hoping that I get to work with the team many more times.
I know जिस पल का हम सबको था इंतजार, that is finally here, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए the one, the only, ladies and gentlemen, icon star Allu Arjun का.
Namaskar. कसं काय Mumbai? Good evening each and every one of you. Thank you all for being here. Firstly, I would like to thank the media for covering this event. Thank you. And coming to, hey, thank you. thank you. Pushpa Raj, झुकेगा नहीं साला. इस बार हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. And my most special, my Shrivalli. Last 4 years I have only been working with one actress. And that is none other than Rashmika. We have become almost like family. I'm so comfortable with her. I want to take 2 minutes and thank her for everything that she's done for this film. Her support is immense. There is no way this film is complete without Srivalli's support. And me and my director Sukumar Garu have like so much admiration for her. You know, because we keep shooting every day, and she comes once in a while. And whenever she comes, you know, those days are so pleasant. And when she leaves, we're like, "Arey, such a sweet girl. She's brought in so much beautiful, positive energy." You know, these are the kind of girls we want to work with. You know, these are the kind of girls who will brighten up the room. You know, the world needs more like, you know, the world needs more girls like these. In a day where we all, you know, complain, oh, the girls are like this today, like that today, when we're all complaining, she's the kind of girl where you can say there are even girls like this who make a world a beautiful place. Thank you, Rush. Thank you. I can't show my love more than this. Thank you so much. You made me so comfortable to perform. There's no way I could have performed this way if not for your comfort and respect and love. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.